Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you my mobile office. This is that bag that helps me be able to work around my house and change up my work environment, so let's get started. So friends, working from home can get to be a little overwhelming day after day after day. So it's important for me when I'm working from home for long periods of time that I'm able to be mobile within the house. So if I want to go work on the back patio or I want to go work down in the living room or in the kitchen, I can because I have the tools that I need to really work throughout the day. And so it's really great for changing up your environment. I can even take it on the go if I want, just grab it and go to the park or go wherever. So I want to take you through mine today and share it with you. Now, my mobile office here, this bag I got from Target, and it's really a nice size. They have two different sizes, so this is the larger size. I'll link them below if you're interested, but it's a great bag to use for this spring. It really is just a wonderful bag. So it gives me a lot of room in it, but it's very durable. So I like that. And so I want to take you through the bag in my mobile office and give you a tour. And I want to start with the exterior. I usually clip my readers on the outside because I'm always looking for my readers, and I have several pair, but it's a must-have for me, one of my essentials. And then I also have just kind of decorated it a little bit with this little scarf on the outside. But, I always like putting little accents on my handbags and my bags. It's just a fun way to have it. So why not with my mobile office? And like I mentioned in a previous video, these hair scrunchies are perfect. They are just the perfect accent for your handbags, your work bags, your mobile offices. And so it's just a simple process of taking the scrunchie and just tying it around the handle of the bag. And then you just want to take the tails and you want to just bring them around through the whole of the scrunchie and pull, and then you can poof it out a little bit to just make it look cute. So it's really simple, easy. A lot of times when you buy these, you can buy them in a pack of 3 or a pack of 4, and so you have some variety, and it's just light and easy and cute on your bag. So one thing I will say is look for something that's very open when you're looking for a mobile office. You don't want anything where you're going to have to unzip and you're going to have to kind of more of a handbag style. You want something that's very open. You just drop and pick, because you want to be able to literally work from this bag, because I am literally always working from this bag when I'm not in my office. And so you need something that's really roomy, something that you can drop your items, something that you can easily see all your items and can accommodate all the essentials, the tools that you need for work. And so now let's go in, and I want to just show you kind of what's in here and just my setup as far as my mobile office and why I have certain things in here. So to start, one thing that I keep in here are, you'll see little bags, and I have this one bag that I've had for a minute, and you all know with my handbags I have all of these little clutches and zip bags and things like that, and they come in so handy outside of just organizing the things in my handbag. So in here I keep all of those just essentials like productivity cards or corner tabs that I use in my planner or any stickers that I use in my planner. I also have my devotional book in here, and so I keep that tucked away in there. And again, I don't want to have papers and things loose in my work bag because then that produces clutter. And then some other things you'll see right here in the corner, I have just some self-care things, or rather one self-care thing, and just some hand lotion, because that's one thing about me. I am always looking to grab lotion and my hands get so dry, so it is a must-have in my mobile office. Now this little bag here, I've had for so many years. You might remember it if you've been with me a while, but I use it as my little pencil pouch, and so I just keep my spare pens in here. Now I typically keep pens with my planners, and so a lot of times I have that easy access to pens without having to come in here, but I also keep in here my highlighters. I keep in here my linen spray, because I like to spray my paper oftentimes in my planner with linen spray. It's just inspiring. It's just a fun little thing that I like to do when working in my planners, or when I open my planner in the day, to be able to be just welcomed with a beautiful scent. So I store all of this in here. So this bag is jam-packed with between highlighters, pens, and linen spray. And so it really comes in handy because it's thin and it can hold a lot as far as pens and things like that. So I feel like it's really compact. Now, literally, I cannot fit not one more pen in here, here, but it is serving its purpose. Now this next bag here, I've had this one for quite some time also, and this is what I use as my tech bag. And basically when I'm around the house working in different places, the only tech items outside of my AirPods that I'm going to need are my chargers. And so what in here, the majority of what's in here are my chargers. Now I need to take that back. Other tech items that I do need are the larger scale, my phone and my laptop, but I'm talking about those kind of mini tech items. So the other thing I keep in my mobile office is a ruler. I'm such a visual person. When I'm ordering things and it says a certain measurement, I like to kind of bring this out just so it gives me a visual, so I keep that on hand. And my carafe, because a lot of times when I'm doing something, I get lost, and the next thing you know, my coffee's cold. A lot of times I like to keep a spare cup with me, and I'll have all black coffee in it so that I can just top up my regular coffee just to get it warm again. So I usually keep a stash of coffee on hand to warm up my original cup. And then this right here is just a fabulous gadget that really helps me when I'm working around the house, because it's a tripod selfie kind of tool, but it's so compact. Look at it, it's about the size of my hand. And what I love about it is it has the remote here that just clips on the side so that you can take, your own photos if you want. And then the other great thing about it, besides it's compact, it has a remote on it, is that it really has some good height to it. So if I want to take a picture standing up, all I have to do is kind of put the selfie stick on the table or the sofa and I'm good to go. And so it's mainly for me, because I don't take a lot of selfies, but mainly for me, what this is for is just to house my phone. So when I'm working, I can have my phone on a stand, can do my sessions from here. I can also, if I'm talking to a friend, it's just convenient to have my phone there. I can watch YouTube videos from here. So it's just really that convenient tool to, be the stand per se for my iPhone. And here I'm putting them side by side so you can gauge the size. So friends, the next thing that I keep in my mobile office are my planners, and they are my absolute must-have. My one here is my digital planner, and it's actually my iPad, and I am obsessed with digital planning right now, loving it. And then my business planner, which I'm going to have a tour coming soon on that, and then my home planner. So I have my 3 essential planners that I always keep on me, whether I'm working or not. Those are in my mobile office. And then of course, friends, I tend to just drop my phone right there in the side. And the reason why I haven't put my computer right behind my iPad is because I just recently got a new MacBook, and I need to get a cover for it. And I don't want the bag to, scratch the exterior of my computer. So I usually am not putting that in there at this point until I get a cover. And friends, that is my mobile office. This is everything that kind of comes around the house with me as I'm working. It's really convenient, and I am so loving this bag, especially for the spring. And friends, I want to say, if you're not subscribed to the At Work with Nikki channel, I would love to have you as a part of the family. Please click that subscribe button along with that bell so that you receive notifications whenever I post a video. I post videos on this channel Monday through Friday, and I hope you will definitely come along. And for all my friends out there, if you enjoyed this video, it's so important that you click that like button for me. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.